This is a gift card from 2019 that I just found at the bottom of my son's duffel bag 5 years later. I can't tell you how much I don't like gift cards as gifts. I know why people get them. They're easy. It feels like it's a real gift, unlike, just giving cash or something like that. But I'm telling you, half the time these things just end up in the back of a drawer or forgotten about, and it's just not a good way to give money because they're not used most of the time. Sometimes the people don't even know how to use them because you have to register on a website or something. There's other problems with them. This comes with a purchase charge when you buy this particular type of gift card, and then it expires after 10 years. So I happened to look in the old duffel bag after 5 years, so I found it. But if I didn't do this for another 5 years, this gift card would have been completely useless because it expires after 10 years. So just be very careful if you're buying gift cards for other people. They may not be that useful.